The end is near, and so I face the final curtain.
My friend, I'll say it clear, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full, I traveled each and every highway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way.
Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do and saw it through with no exemption. I planned each charted course, each careful step along the way.
But more, much more than this, I did it my way.
Yes, there were times, I'm sure you knew, that I bit off more than I could chew.
But through it all, when there was doubt, I ate it up and spit it out.
I faced it all,
And I stood tall and did it my way.
I loved and cried. I had my fill, my share of losing.
And more, as days exhaust, I find it all so amusing.
To think I did all that, and may I say, no, not in a shy way. Oh no, oh no, not me. I did it my
For what is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he has not.
to say the things he truly feels, and not the words of one who kneels. The